This is the Bitvae toothbrush. I've been using it now for a little bit and I wanted to share with you my thoughts about this product and if it's right for you. When you first receive this product, it's gonna come with 8 removable brush heads. That way you can replace your old brush head after you use it for a while, and this should last you 2 years. It also comes with a traveling case, which is sleek, compact, and it also holds your electric toothbrush in there and the replaceable heads for you when you travel. It will also come with the charging cord, so that way you can charge your toothbrush and then the toothbrush itself. You will also have to download an app for this toothbrush because yes, just like everything nowadays, it comes with an app. So even for your toothbrush, you can use an app to use it, but the app is kind of cool and I'll share with you more about that later in this video. Putting your toothbrush head on the device is really simple. All you have to do is line up the teeth on the toothbrush so that it's pointing facing the same way as all the words on your screen here. It only goes on one way and then you just push it down and it locks into place. Before I get into all the details of this device and how it actually works, I want to share with you some features first. First of all, the battery life on this thing lasts up to 100 days on one charge. So one full charge all the way to 100%, it will last you 100 days, which is a long time for a toothbrush. It also comes with 5 different cleaning modes to help you achieve different things. The first one is for cleaning, the second one is for whitening, and then the next one is soft, gum care, and then there's a smart feature at the bottom. To turn the device on, all you have to do is hit the power button and then keep tapping it to cycle through the different modes, which is convenient, and then it will shut off after it cycles through all the modes. Something else that's really unique about this toothbrush is that it gives you a signal if you're brushing your teeth too hard or aggressively. So what I mean by that is this little ring around here will turn red if you're pressing too hard on your teeth. Also, a nice feature about this toothbrush is that it's waterproof, so you can literally submerge this toothbrush in water and it's going to be fine whether you brush your teeth in the shower or if you just got toothpaste all over it and you want to rinse off the whole toothbrush, you're not going to damage it. Now let's get into actually using this device and share with you the app so that you can see how it works. First thing you're going to have to do is pair your device to the app. Once you do that, you can see your toothbrush pop up on here and you can click into it. Right off the home screen, you can see how many days you've used the device and also your battery percentage. And if you tap into it, you can see the diagram a little more and see that I'm at 80%. It already came somewhat charged, so I haven't even charged it yet and it's still been running fine. When you're looking at your records, you can pick previous days to see how much you brushed your teeth. You can see that on Wednesday, I brushed them a ton, or I was turning the device on and off. I was just messing with it, trying all the different features. And so it logged them as actual me brushing my teeth, so that's kind of interesting. But now that I've been brushing them for a little bit, you can just get my normal scores and normal data inside the device. The app also has a brushing score on here, which will rank you on how well you're brushing your teeth. And this is determined by how long you brush your teeth. So if you don't last the full 2 minutes, if you only do it for 30 seconds, then it will give you a lower score. Or if you're brushing your teeth too aggressively, like I showed you earlier that you can press too hard, this will also decrease your score as well. It will rank you from A, B, C, or D, just like in school you get A if you're doing good. It will also show you more details. If you click on the 2-minute timer button, it will give you a little breakdown of how long you've been brushing your teeth. And then you can also see here your pressure analysis. If I was brushing my teeth too hard, it will show me. And it will also show me what area I was brushing my teeth too hard. Was I brushing it on the left upper side or the right upper side or the bottom side? It will show you where I was applying too much pressure so that I can adjust for next time. It also has a smart feature down here which you can click into, and this is a smart feature also on the device itself. You can see what it means right here in the app. So right now I'm currently on Smart Custom. That's what I've been using, which is just custom to me. And you can set this up however you want to. If you want to change some of the features here, whether it's soft, clean, gum care, however you want to set it up, you can make those adjustments here. And you can also swipe to the right to show you different plan selections. So there's a beginner plan of cleaning steps, and then there's also a polishing plan. There is a gum massage plan if you have sensitive gums or need gum care, and then if you want to freshen your breath. So these are all different plan selections that you can choose. When you choose one of these different plans, the device will notice that you've changed it and it will change all the settings and parameters of the toothbrush when you're on the smart mode. When you first click on the start brushing, it's gonna pull up this screen and it's not gonna start the timer until you turn on your device. Once you turn on the device, the app will start the timer and it will show you where to brush your teeth. It will start you doing the lateral side of your teeth and then the oculus or whatever that word is, and then it will do the internal side of your teeth. So basically all around the different spots of your teeth is where you're going to brush, and then it will change between your left upper to your right upper to your right lower to your left lower. That way you know you're getting a good clean if you hit all these spots. After you're done brushing your teeth, it will give you a pop-up to say, did you brush your tongue? And then it will also say, did you floss and did you use mouthwash? You can just check yes or no if you've done any of these things as well. Probably one of my favorite features about the app is that you don't actually have to use it each time you brush your teeth. You can literally just grab your toothbrush, turn it on to the cycle you want to use, and then brush your teeth and then turn it off. The same way the app shows you to switch from your left side to your right upper side, the device will also pause. It'll do a brief pause and it will let you know to switch sides and start brushing again. This will just keep you on track of how long you've spent on each area of your mouth. So you don't actually have to use the app every time you're using the device, which is really handy because no one really wants to pull it open each day. They're brushing their teeth for the morning and night. But what's nice about it is after you're done brushing your teeth and say you've done it for a week, you can still go back into the app and log in and it will sync the data from when you brushed your teeth previously. So each time you're brushing your teeth, if you don't last the 2 minutes, it will sync up to the device and then you can see all your results inside the device even if you weren't turning the app on every time you're using it. So that's really convenient and handy. If you don't want to constantly be on your phone every time you're brushing your teeth, you can just use the toothbrush and it'll work just fine. I think this app is perfect for actually monitoring, like if you have any kids or anything like that you want to make sure they're brushing your teeth. This is a great way to monitor it and it's a great device to use to make sure you're brushing your teeth really thoroughly. And you don't have to be a kid, you can be an adult like me who wants to track how they're brushing their teeth and get a cool new toothbrush that is electric. Up until this point, before using Bitvae, I've never used an electric toothbrush before. I've always had a manual one, and so that's all I've ever known. And I've always been someone who brushes my teeth pretty aggressively. And so when I switched to this, I realized that I was applying over pressure and that I'm brushing too aggressively. It was actually a very unique experience when I first used this because it felt funny in my mouth. It was like kind of like tingly or like tickly in some spots. But then after I've been using it for a while now, it doesn't even bother me. It's actually nice. I feel like I take more time on my teeth and I'm actually like more thorough, where before I used to like brush them aggressively and quick and just want to get done. So now I actually take more time on my teeth, which is good. At the time of recording this video, when I checked on Amazon, you can purchase this product for $39, and right now as I'm looking, it has a $5 coupon code, so it actually brings it down to like $35. So it's a pretty affordable device, especially since it's going to last you 2 years because it comes with all these different replaceable heads. So to get a nice electric toothbrush that kind of monitors the way you're brushing your teeth could be really convenient for you. Overall, I'm pleased with it. I don't have any real issues. I don't know what kind of issues you can run into with a toothbrush, but this seems to work fine. It's waterproof, it's small, it has a carrying case for when I travel, which is really nice, and it has replaceable heads, and I don't always need to use the app, but I have it in case I want to look at all of my details and all the records I have. So if you want to pick one up, I'll put a link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and catch you on another one.